Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 1. One is find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Right. Now we will solve question number 1a. Here you see A is 837 plus 208 plus 363. This is 3, not 0. 363, we are rubbing it out. Now this is not 0 but it is 3. Now you see this is 363, right. Now we have to rearrange these numbers such that we can add easily. And how? If we here you see, if we add this number 837 with 363, it will be better. How? You see, if we add this number, that is 837 plus 363 plus 208, then it will be easier for us to add the sum, to do the problem. Now you see here that 837, we are adding this number 837 plus 363, we are adding this number, that is 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, here it is 0. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, here it is 0. 8 plus 1 9, 10 11 12, 1200, right. That means we are in the end we are getting 0 0, therefore it is 1200. Now we add with 208. This is the method to add sum in a group in a suitable arrangement. That is 1200 plus 208. Here you see, if we add in this way, the addition will be easier for us, or by suitable arrangement we can do in this way. That is 8, it is 0, 2 plus 2 4 and 1. Therefore the answer is 1 4 0 8, right. This is the answer, right. Therefore again you see that 837 plus 208 plus 363. That means first of all you have to group this number 837 plus 363. After that we have to add 208. That means 837 plus 363, if we add we are getting how much? 1200. We are getting 1200, right. And in the end we are getting 0 0, right. After that we have to add 208. We are getting 8 0 4 and 1. This is the solution by suitable arrangement. Now we will do question number B. In B also, here you see, now we are doing question number B. You see question number B. The numbers are 1962 196 2 plus 453 plus 453 plus 1538 1538 plus 647 plus 647, right. We have to add the numbers in such a way such that the units place or tens place may be 0, right? How to add? You have to add this number with this number, and we have to add this number with this number such that at the units place or tens place we are getting 0, right? Therefore we are adding this number, that is number is 19621962 plus 1538 plus 453 plus 647. Now if we see if we add these numbers in the units place or tens place we are getting 0. Here you see the number is 1962 and the number is 1538 1538. 8 plus 2, that is 10, carry 1, here it is 0. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, here it is 0. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15, carry 1, here it is 5, and 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 0, 0. Here you see we are getting 2 zeros, that is units place and tens place we are getting 0. Therefore it will be easier for us to add. Therefore it is number is 3500 plus, if you add this number, that is 453 plus 647. Here also you see we are in the units place we are getting 0. 7 plus 3, that is 10, carry 1, it is 0. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 for 10, carry 1, it is 0. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11, that is it is 1100, right? That is we are adding 3 here with 1100. Now if we add 1100 with 3500, we are getting 3500. Then we are getting, if we add this number, we are getting 00516 314, 4600. That means we are getting the number as 4600. This is the answer. That means we will add two numbers in such way such that we in the units place or in the tens place we are getting 0. Then it will be easier for us to add the numbers. In this way we have to suitably arrange the numbers and we get the answer easily, right? This is the way how you have to do the problems. This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.